What's good, everybody? It's your girl Winter Slays back with another video, and y'all know what time it is. It's my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. So I just came on here early, a day early to show my hair. Got my hair done. It is this wig right here, the Bobbi Boss Lace, and this color. And y'all can see it's cute. Y'all know my sister installed this. She doing my installs. Her. So this is all I'm doing for today, cause it's late. So I'm just gonna do my prep, get ready for tomorrow, dinner. So yeah, keeping it nice and simple. Turning 24, so like, why not keep it simple? Yeah. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow.
She was from your past, silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Something naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's sweating. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I've got myself, it's all I got in the end. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, it's all I got in the end. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with three kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never be like myself. All the ladies in the family help me figure it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the real things, something not again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies that feel me help me sing it out. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the real things, something not again. Myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Tell me how the type of singer. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a young ain't never seen before. I say, oh, there's a girl I wanna be on second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, then she gets, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. You tryna leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance, just one quick step, one quick step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say it out. Excuse me. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah.
So this is the look. My earrings are from Shein. They're like pink hearts. Bracelets from Shein. My shoes will be from Tora. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna post a picture of where I got the inspo from. This dress from Fashion Nova. The Paris runway maxi dress. It's a little long, so don't be judging me. So I'll see you guys in a second.
I like to drink with Kiki because Kiki is my mate. I like to drink with Kiki because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Attention, Texas Roadhouse! This is my new best friend, Kiana, celebrating her 21st birthday. Can I get a round of applause? And on the count of 3, I need you to stop what you're doing, swallow what you're chewing, and give me your loudest, proudest exercise. Yeehaw! 1, 2, 3, yeehaw!
What's good, y'all? I'm back home. I went to Texas Roadhouse, as y'all will see, and I didn't have a cake, so I just got a crumble cookie. It's the honey cake flavor. So I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm gonna call it a night. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.